Hello. They have lost lots of votes. Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the 4-month party, has actually surpassed them nationally. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is also doing very well in Mpumalanga province, securing the second spot. Even though it's being called tribalist party, it's also there in Gauteng, coming on 4th position, very close to the EFF. It's a tsunami party that has taken a lot of people by storm. It's eating everybody's lunch. Other fighters are blaming white people on TikTok for losing. Go be in the EFF party right now. People on social media are sharing videos of Julius Malema saying he doesn't care whether he loses votes because he's not desperate to become president of South Africa. In some videos, he's mocking the people from Limpopo, where he comes from, saying he doesn't care about people from Limpopo or people from Gauteng because he is actually international. Others reacted on the X app and one said, Julius Malema is responsible for the poor performance of the economic freedom fighters. When South Africa indicated that they were not happy about the open border policy, he became ignorant, and good leader listens to the people. Another one shared a video of Julius Malema whereby he said that he doesn't care about the people from Limpopo and wrote, looking at the IEC results, Limpopo people did listen to Julius Malema. I don't care about Limpopo, I don't care about Gauteng, I care about South Africa and the continent. Whether EFF is voted in Limpopo, so what must I do? What does that have to do with me? I am not a regional leader, I'm international. I can walk into any country you think Michael Jackson, the showstopper, has arrived. Hashtag SA votes. Another one said, John Steenhuisen has secured 2 million votes for the DA. Julius Malema has secured 800k votes for the EFF. Another one said, Julius Malema has lost the South African presidential elections. We are waiting for him to prepare a similar to this. Africa is tired of puppets of West like him. Julius Malema will never become the president of South Africa. Congratulations, President Cyril Ramaphosa. Another one said, Julius Malema, I'm not desperate to become president of South Africa. I'm desperate to unite the African continent. And if that unity will cost me votes, you can take your votes. I don't want xenophobic votes and haters. Another one said, Julius Malema has lost to a white man. What a failure. Malema should tell South Africans what they want to hear. I will give blacks jobs. I will not allow Zimbabweans to migrate here. I will take the land from the Wazunye and give you border policy. Messed our men. Even Noda took a jab at Julius Malema and wrote on his X app, when Julius Malema put Sahara on stage drunk as a skunk, I knew that he's a cruel man. When he had Kelly Khumalo performing at EFF rallies, I knew that he's stupid. When he started advocating for illegal immigrants, I knew he can't be trusted. Then he marched to Rupert's Farm, sellout. Noda has been very vocal and he said that he will vote for Umkhonto weSizwe Party.